We are back at the Rainbow restaurant. We like the food so much that we had to come back. So we're gonna eat lunch now, and we've already got been served. We have mutton masala and fish tikka. So this restaurant's so good, we had to come back. And today we're planning on going to the Water Palace. We're gonna walk up to the Water Palace after this, and then hopefully see one market before we leave Jaipur.
Can I eat now?
Yeah, you can eat.
So we have like Indian friend teach us what we need to do. Like oh, that's all. We take it to our dish like this.
Saya's becoming expert with the Indian food.
And then you take the naan. My favorite naan is the butter naan. And then you just only like 3 fingers like this. And then like this.
Something like that.
Something like this, yeah. And it was so good. This one is the one we had yesterday, and this one is the new one.
Yeah, we haven't tried the fish tikka before.
It looks so good though. Like this. The fish is so big. Maybe like this. I think we'll be good with this one. I'm afraid if I eat this, you're not gonna kiss me. Dessert. This looks so good. This one called gulab. I don't know what it's called next because I remember like the first word because there was the same languages in Thailand and in India. Gulab in Thailand is mean roses. This snack dessert. It tastes so good with the ice cream. This is hot and this is cold.
Hey,
No.
you cannot have the ice cream because you're cold.
In Thailand, there would be like yelling.
Look here, they got King Fried Chicken. Look, KFC. Look, say KFC.
Yeah. So you want to give them?
I don't want to get my wallet out here. I don't want to pull my wallet out.
But some like they come up to you and then just like asking you for money straight away.
Yeah, I don't mind giving money, but I don't want to pull my wallet out with how much money I got in it. Did you see?
Never know.
Did you see the KFC?
Yeah. That was the KFC, right?
Yeah. King Fried Chicken is a big rip-off.
Because I wasn't paying attention to what you're saying because I'm afraid of him.
Yeah, you were scared of the guy.
Yeah.
So behind us we have the Jal Mahal. You can't actually enter the Jal Mahal, but you can sit back over here and get a nice view. You can see over here the. How do you think the cow got on the island side? Do you think it walked through the water?
I think a cow can float on the water, like they can float.
You can see it's just surrounded by the mountains.
One, then it's 100 rupees.
It's okay. No worries.
150. Hey, 100 rupees बता दिए उसको.
Huh? No, it's too much.
आ जाओ.
50.
80 रुपए बोल दे.
Huh? No, we do 50.
आ जाओ.
50? Okay.
बापू बाजार जाए. 80 रुपए लूँगा इससे. मैंने बोला था 100 को. Yes.
What? 50.
100.
50.
No, come.
Oh, we can't get out.
Huh?
We can't get out.
Yes. हाँ 70 रुपए देना 70
Well, now you want us to go. Okay.
बापू बाजार
Yeah. That guy wasn't happy, was he?
No.
He was really upset.
But I think like it cost less than 100 rupee per like for Indian people, because I saw like they pay like 10 rupee and everybody get their change back.
Yeah. So he tried to charge us 100 rupees from the water palace to Bapu market.
Yeah.
So we said 50 because we saw on Uber it was 75. So we thought we'll try and get 50, and he was not happy. But we told him we will get out.
Yeah.
And he's like, no, come. But then he started picking up all these other people along the way. So anyway, we're at Bapu Market now. So we're going to walk down here, just have a look how the market is, and then we're going to head home once we get to the end of the street.
We're gonna head home straight away, and we're gonna buy something.
What do you want to buy?
Indian dress.
You want to buy an Indian dress?
Yeah. Remember, like we have one guy, the jewelry guy that recommend us.
Yeah.
Where is he? You remember?
I don't know. You think Sai will look good in Indian dress?
I think so. I kind of look like Indian, don't you think?
You look like Indian?
Yeah. Dark skin. I have to like do like eyeliner, like black eyes. That's it.
Maybe you're Indian, not Thai.
I'm Thai.
She started to do the Indian accent.
Yes. Last night I was talking to like one of the reception, and then I speak like out of nowhere, like Indian accent coming out. I was like, no. And then I talked to Adam. I was like, what is going on?
What do you do with your head?
I was like, yes.
That's how you say yes?
Yeah. And I was like, I do that without notice that, and I was like, yes. And then I asked Adam, did I just shake my head? And Adam said yes. And I was like, oh my god. By the time I go back, I would get like half Indian. How much?
80 rupees 1 kilo.
Huh?
80 rupees 1 kilo.
80 rupees for 1 kilo.
we get half a kilo.
Half a kilo, please.
What are you smoking? The Dawn.
Huh? Babe?
Hi. 3 bananas.
Thank you.
Wow. Very friendly. I'm more interested in the cigarette. So we get half a kilo of grapes for 40 rupees, which is about 75 cents.
Look how he
Wow, look
measured
at the
it.
scales. This is some really accurate.
I don't know.
Seems right, seems legit. How's the banana?
Very good.
Banana.
Very good
Yeah.
banana, yeah. Sai loves bananas.
I'm hungry.
Kiss? You want me to kiss her? On the camera.
Have a kilo?
1 kilo.
1 kilo.
Three banana.
Oh, okay.
You have one.
It's okay.
Okay.
Enough, yeah. Have to wait. So this is 1 kilo.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 kilo
He
and
wants us to kiss. Oh, hang on. He wants to have another banana.
I'm full. You must have it.
Oh no, we can put it for later. Oh, half a banana. Oh my god. We're so full, I cannot even eat this one. Okay. Thank you. Good? Yeah, I cannot eat no more bananas.
What do you want us to do? Take
He
a
wants
photo?
us to kiss. No, he wants us to kiss. Ready? Yeah, ready? Man, if I stay here any longer, I'm going to turn into a monkey. I cannot eat any more bananas.
I want to try the grape. I don't know if it's cuisine yet, but I want to try it.
Good? Sour.
Yeah.
We got a kilo of sour grapes.
But for me, it's cheap.
Yeah, because they're sour.
Yeah.
Sorry? Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You want a photo? Okay. Thank you. So that was really nice that he made this snack, but unfortunately we cannot eat it. We're gonna have to put it in the rubbish bin.
Really,
Because, yeah, because we have to.
I'll try it.
You want to try it? It's your stomach. Because you use a lot of hands. There was a lot of hands involved. Too much
It's
hands.
So nice.
If you want to eat it, eat it. Okay. Sai could be missing from the videos for the next few days.
I saw you use hands.
So much hands.
But thank you so much for sharing your food. Here we go. Good.
It's good. Good? You want to eat more?
Nope.
No? What?
Omelette tea.
No, because we got to go in the taxi
No.
now. We don't
go
have time.
home.
Tea bikini.
No, the car's coming.
Tea.
No.
मंगाइए. हम चल के आए.
No, because the car's coming.
वो कर लियो अपने. टी मंगाइए हमने.
So he's walked all the way from his shop to come and offer us tea. It's nice, but we ordered the car, so we have to go.
This is good. But I'm afraid I'm gonna have food poisoning.
Okay. Hopefully I don't see.
You're not nice, Bush.
What is this guy doing? He set up his science project in the middle of the road. He likes it.
Finally.
So we're getting one tea made. We've come to our dodgy tea corner. He got a different style from the other guy. He used the spoon to mix it. This guy, he tossed the pot. Ah, now he's got the spoon now. There you go. You've got to get the air into it. It's like a fine art is making of the tea. They don't cut no corners. They don't cut no corners, they put a lot of effort into it. It's not like you mix the water with a tea bag.
No, it's not like that at all.
That wraps up our final day in Jaipur, it will be. And it was we went to the Pink City. It was pretty crazy. Got pretty crazy in there. But it was a lot of fun. We just finished up having a tea. So we're going to wrap up the video today. We're sitting in one park. There's all these couples sitting around in love. Don't get any ideas. So until next time, dream bigger, much sooner. Peace.